What's up, y'all? Welcome to another video from me. Quarantine edition, shopping. I went on a bike ride and was just out and about around the city, and then rode my bike by H&M on Queen Street, and they were open. There was no line. I spent some money. It's okay. It really wasn't that much. I honestly have not spent any money lately, just, rent and groceries, so I've had a little bit of savings, which is kind of nice. It's fine. I will figure it out. But I wanted to grab some more of those basic tees. I always wear that white ribbed tee, and I've been meaning to go and get more in more colors ever since. But then COVID happened, so never got to go in, and everything's literally sold out online. Like, I think every store on the planet is sold out. And there was a dress that I really wanted, and it was sold out online, so had to go in. They didn't have it in black, but they had it in the print. Very happy about it. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch the rest of this haul. Not that that actually will stop you from keeping on watching, but I like to think it would. Subscribe down below. Let's show you what I bought. Okay, so for sure, I bought the ribbed tee in gray. I used to have this like hatred for gray, and I really don't know why. Gray is actually an okay color for me. I feel like I just thought it maybe washed me out, but in the summer when I have a bit of a tan, I think it's quite nice. It's a nice little basic. Gray is like a nice like neutral to have, I think, in your closet. The only thing about gray is that if you're a sweaty person, just don't bother because it's just not going to be your best friend. But I saw this and I was convinced to buy it. I buy these in a small because I got big boobies, so I gotta, give the girls some space. Otherwise I'd probably be an extra small because I like them not like tight but fitted. And then I bought this gorgeous like cantaloupe-y melony color, kind of like a melony but like terracotta type of color, which I think is just really nice for summer. It looks good with like dark hair and a good little tan, so really happy that they had these in stock. A lot of things are pretty low on stock. They'll always have their basics in some sort of new form. But yeah, really love the H&M Basics line. They're super affordable. It's only $10 for a t-shirt. Can't go wrong. I think they're really comfy. I really like the ribbing kind of detailing on them. It gives just like a basic t-shirt a little bit more pizzazz and makes it more interesting. And they're just really comfortable, and I like to have good little basics that I can wear with denim shorts and then just like jazz up accessories when it's really stinking hot outside and you just don't want to get dressed. That's why I like these. And then one more t-shirt is this really pretty like buttery soft yellow, different material and like a looser rib. Like these are kind of like a tight rib, and then this one is a little bit more spaced out. But I was really into this color for summer. Yellow was a really big color last year, and I think it's still very in. Yellow is kind of one of those colors that's not exactly easy to wear. It's not for everyone, but this one is a little bit warmer. It doesn't have like a blue undertone. I don't know. Yellow is difficult, but this color suits my skin tone. I'm quite fair. Like a neutral fair. It's hard to wear yellow. It's hard to find the right yellow for you. So my suggestion is to always go into a store, find a mirror, and place it against your face, up to your hair and your skin, and like your arm, versus maybe like, you got some bronzer on. This way you'll really know what your skin color is and whether or not it's suiting you. And this, to me, looks good, my friends. Really happy about those. I think these will be great shirts to have for the summer. Okay, this is the dress. I'm so excited. I already tried this stuff on, so I know it fits. I'm so excited about this. It's like one of those balloon dresses. I am so happy. I wanted this dress so bad, and it was sold out, and I was on the wait list. I just don't think it's ever going to come back because it's very H&M of them to never bring it back. This is like that perfect in-between weather kind of dress because it has long sleeves, but it's still kind of mini and it's still thin. But you could put like a denim jacket over this and it would still look cute, you know what I mean? Next dress, I didn't think I was going to purchase. I honestly didn't think it would look good, but I love it. Again, H&M, fitting room's not open. nowhere really has fitting rooms open. That was an extra small, forgot to say. This is a small, they only had a small, which I'm actually happy about because I feel like the divided line always fits a little bit smaller for some reason. Like their stuff's always a little bit tighter. I think it's just the fabric. It's never like the best fabric versus their Conscious collection or whatever else. They generally use a better fabric. Divided is that cheaper line for them, so yeah. But this one's good. I think it will wear well. Again, it's like long sleeve, but it has that mini dress and is really flowy and like loose but kind of thin, so it'll be perfect for those kind of like cooler summer days. Has a cute little like floral print but is tight, not too big, which is why I think the next dress is a problem. I tend to go for a tighter print, and I think tighter, smaller, closer together prints look better on smaller people. Bigger prints tend to like take over your body and make you look even smaller than you are. They like swallow you essentially. So this dress is exactly the same cut as is the rest of them, and I don't know, it doesn't look as good, and it's an extra small too, so there's really no figuring it out. I really wanted this to fit because it's a Conscious collection and I just think it's really pretty. This flowiness, I don't know, I don't think I'm sold on it. I think the print is just too big. They also had a really light pink with smaller flowers, but that wasn't in store and again like sold out everywhere, so that was a bummer. That was the one I think would have looked better, a little bit cuter. This one I don't think it's my vibe. I also don't think it's my style. This is like very in your face flowers. All I can see myself is wearing this dress with like combat boots or something super masculine. I thought it would be cute for the summer, and like vacationing in Italy, but I don't think it looks that good. I wish it had the same cut. Maybe I can wear it backwards, but it has like a double, goes really, really low, so I don't think so. I'd have to wear a tank top. Honestly, if it had the v-neck like the other two dresses do, I think it would fit better. But I think because it's a high neck, it's just like not working for my frame. It's just swallowing me whole. Just not as cute as I thought it would be. I'm kind of bummed about that one. I thought it was really pretty, but you know, not everything's gonna fit you or suit you. It's too bad, really. That was just a small, very small haul. Again, I am not making a whole lot of cash money these days, so just wanted to show you a couple of things that I picked up. Most likely keeping everything but that floral dress. Again, or they're all floral. The last dress that's like pink, I just don't think it's gonna work for my body type. It's not looking amazing. Otherwise, I'm really happy with my other purchases. If you want to see me wearing them, most likely before any sort of video styling comes out, then you can follow me on Instagram at Layla_Lane. Lots of daily outfits posted up there. And don't forget to subscribe down below. Hit the like button, hit the bell notification so you don't miss an upload next time, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!